Hi, welcome to the Boardwalk Print Show. Today's video we're going to go over how to print on masks using a heat press rather than screen printing and why. Stay tuned. So the GOOF proof sheets that I'm talking about look like this. They're roughly 14 by 12 with a 13 by 10.5 area that you can print on, and then it also comes with instructions. So for these prints they're recommending that we use the heat of 360 to 370, 7 to 9 seconds, and a pressure of 6 to 8. And we'll go over all what those things mean and how you do that on the heat press further on into this video. So now let's get started and start printing on some masks. So the first thing we want to do is we want to reach over to turn the machine on, and we'll see this right up here. So the mode, you can switch. This is the temperature set. So this thing said, the GOOF proof sheet that we're doing today said to be between 360 and 370. So we'll bring this up to 360. Hit mode. That 5, that is the preset for when you're warming the item up for pre-pressing. The next one is how long it's gotten to actually be under the press for, and this was calling for 7 to 9 seconds. So we're at 10. We'll go down to 9 seconds. Well, no, we'll keep it at the 10. And now we'll just let this heat up. One other thing we will check, let's check what our pressure is. So if you watch this gauge, when I go to bring this down, it's saying nothing, it's not even reading. So on here, this knob here, we're going to bring that down a little bit. Actually, I'm going to change one other thing. There's something that we're going to use in here. Let's see if you can see. We'll put the mask in here, bring it down, see what our pressure is reading. Reading at 2, that's not enough. I'm going to change this down a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so we'll be using one of these sheets, and you just cut it. This will be what we're going to use. One other thing that we want to do with these masks is that we just cut a piece of cardboard. And the reason for that is, if you notice the masks, they are pleated. So we want to get this surface as flat as possible. We just put the cardboard inside the underside. Get it around it as much as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect. So it's kind of like that. Then we'll do the pre-pressing of it. Take our screen print. Just want to make sure that you get it so that it's even. That's the top. Now as we put this back down, it'll go for the 10 seconds. This is a hot peel, so as soon as it pops up, we will peel the backing sheet off. Pull this out, grab, there you go. Cardboard comes out. And you've got a nice mask done. Very soft, very smooth. It's just like a screen print would feel. and we'll actually do one more. So we'll put the cardboard inside. Pre-press. Hot peel. That's it. Very easy, very soft, very easy, and doesn't take any time. You could do multiple ones, you know, laid on there at one time. Okay, so that was it. The results look good. This is using the Hotronix heat press and goof proof screen printed transfers. Make it really easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave comments, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. We may take another quick look, or not a quick look, but a first look at how we might be able to do these on, we looked at this press. Now we may take a look at that press, the Hotronix 360 hat press. So here's the hat press, and I'm going to show you the settings. So you notice that I have the bottom at just set it like 55. It's room temperature, and the top is set to 360, which is what it recommends for the goof proof transfer to begin with. So that's just going to add heat to the top pallet only. So you just find the top of your mask and put it around the bottom platen. Now I have the bottom platen there's no heat going to this right now. Normally when you do hats you would have a heat setting for the bottom, but for this we're not going to. That fits on there pretty good. We'll do a quick little pre-press. Cut out what we're going to put on there. Lay that flat across. Bring it down a little bit. Just what I'm trying to do is make sure that there's no creases that could get caught up in this. And And I think that should be good. It'll go for the 10 seconds. Hot peel. There it is. So either way is going to work for this. This is maybe a little bit easier to use, but either one. So if you had the hat press, you could do mask very simply, or if you have the clamshell, you can as well. Just hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments, and if you want to see anything else, just let us know in the comments. We'll see you real soon. Thanks. So I just want to throw a little bonus thing in here. I'm going to take the Goof Proof transfers and show you how they can be applied to a hat using the Hotronics 360 IQ Fusion hat press. Okay, so let's load the hat. Put the lever down. That's pretty smooth. We'll give it just a little quick. Okay, that's going to run through. We're going to take our transfer, put it in place. Oh, you know what? Let's do something. Let's change something. Let's put this in there. To give us more pressure on that, we're going to load this on top. Now put the hat in place. What this is doing is it's going to give it a little bit more pressure when this comes down. That's good there. Set the transfer on it. We don't want 35 seconds, so we want, we bring this down. Seconds. This will auto lift. Remove carrier. Hot. And now let's add one other piece. We'll do there you go.
custom hat. Made with the goof proof transfers. Nice soft feel, can't even feel it's on there.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.